What's up, everybody? Happy Saturday. Back at the glampsite. There's a couple things I need to do. One is my solar panel for the security camera up there is pointed down instead of up, so it's not charging very well. And two is there's some mildew buildup on the front of the tent and around the bottom edge of all the walls. So I ordered some 3M. I got it right here. Some 3M mildew stain remover, and then I also got some 3M stain remover and mildew block. So actually that's the same thing. I got two of the same thing. And then I've got this Starbright waterproofer. There's not a whole lot in here. I went to the store and I got some just generic silicone water guard for tents and stuff. So I'm gonna clean the walls off, put the stain blocker on there, put the waterproofer on there, and fix the solar panel. Then we'll be good to go. Sweating. I was able to get all the mildew off. I'll put up a before and after picture here, but you can see it looks good. I still need to repair that rip right there. But yeah, so I put the mold and mildew remover all the way around, and it did great. The tent looks good. There's still some dirt on the tent, but it just needs to be scrubbed. I'm not doing that today. But I did get all the mildew off the outside. There's no mildew on the inside. I waterproofed the top before I brought it out here, but this rain fly honestly works amazing. There's no mildew on the top. The tent that I had before, it got a lot of mildew on the top, especially in the fall, in the early part of the year. After, in the winter, it was raining a lot up here, and it just got mildewy. And so that worked, and then I went around and I sprayed it with the Starbright, but I didn't have much Starbright, so I used this generic silicone water guard. It says heavy duty repellent, only one application needed, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna get some more of this because it works great, and I'm gonna get the blocker. There's a stain blocker. I actually did order a mildew remover and a stain blocker, but they sent me two of the mildew stain removers, which is fine. I needed it. I went through 1.5 of these, and these are $30 a piece. I spent like $70 getting this shipped to my house, just so I could clean the mildew off the tent. So now I'm just gonna straighten up. I've had the AC on the whole time that I've been up here working. So let's go in the tent and see how cool it is, because people be saying it's hot, but it is not hot in here. It smells like stain remover, but it's not hot. See, the AC is working. You can hear it and the generator out there, and you know, to be honest, they're about the same. I did plug up the Icy Breeze to the EcoFlow here. The EcoFlow is already plugged into the solar and into the generator on this electrical strip, but let's turn this on high. The This is how you turn it on. But I've got it plugged up. You can hear it blowing. It's not going to be cold. Anywho, it says that this will last like just depending. It's actually pulling solar right now. You can see right here. It's pulling charge from the solar panels, but it's also showing you how long it'll work. So I think this will work like 14 hours on high. If it wasn't plugged up, let's just unplug it and see what it says. So, yeah, 14, 15 hours, what it says. Plug these back up so the next person that comes in will have a full battery. But yeah, so snow, mildew. There's still a little bit of mildew, like on the inside bottom there. You can see, but you can see where I sprayed it and it all came off. I need to spray it a little bit more. But I got like 99% of the mildew off. That's just from the rain blowing in on it and it getting wet and then just mildew growing. That's all it is. On mildew on the outside of the tent, not the inside. It's on the outside. You can see where I sprayed and it melted away. Where I didn't spray, it hasn't melted away yet. So that's just one of the having a canvas tent that's outside in the woods and it rains. If it was in the desert, the thing would not mildew. But we're in the middle of the woods, in the mountains, so it's what it is. Anywho, thanks for watching. I'm nice and cool in this tent. I know for a fact that any of my guests say that they're hot. Let's see what the temperature is. They say that they're hot when they come here. Right now it's 80 degrees outside, right? And it's comfortable in the tent with the AC blowing. Comfortable. And I believe I would be comfortable if I just had the doors open and all the windows and then just had the little fan right here, the tower fan, just blowing. I think we'd be fine. But we have an air conditioner, so we're using it. Thanks for watching.